2019, 34, 35 age, I realized that yes, there is a hair loss. You start treating like home remedies, okay? Somebody will tell you that, okay, shave off your head completely and it will regrow.
That's a very common advice given in India.
I have lost my hair after that a lot. You lose your confidence sitting in front of your colleagues or your clients. You look older than your age, at least 10 years when you don't have hair. So it gives you more stress.
Actually, that's a cycle because the more stress you take about the hair,
yes,
the more hair loss happens.
Then my wife came up with online search and all, and then we came to know, okay, Assure is there. The kind of assurance you gave me that, okay, from now onwards, we will take care of everything.
One of your friends, he was almost about to take a flight to other country and he had finalized his procedure then you said at least come once.
Since he has seen my results, I have forced him meet with you guys. He thought okay, and he just changed his completely that plan today. He is happy that he has made a right call.
Professionally or personally, how did things change?
So it is the first 30 seconds impression which comes from your appearance, which gives you a right or wrong impression. So it gives you that confidence that okay, you can go and sit in front of anyone. Frankly speaking, if somebody is meeting me, he don't even realize that I have done a hair transplant. I even sometimes I don't feel like I have gone through it or not.